1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. 1 minute is equal to 1 nautical mile. Convert degrees to nautical miles. Example: 2 degrees 45 minutes and 50 seconds. Convert to nautical miles. Since we are converting degrees to miles, 45 minutes is as is. Multiply 2 degrees by 60 nautical miles to obtain nautical miles, and divide 50 seconds by 60 seconds to obtain point of a nautical mile. Solution: 2 degrees multiplied by 60 minutes over 1 degree. Crash out degree unit, and the remaining unit is minutes. The result is 120 minutes, or 120 nautical miles. 45 minutes multiplied by 1 nautical mile over 1 minute. Crash out unit minute, and the remaining unit is nautical mile. The result is 45 nautical miles. Remember that 1 minute is equal to 1 nautical mile, 50 seconds, divided by 60 seconds over 1 minute. Remember that, in dividing whole number by fraction, keep, switch, and flip. Crash out unit second. The result is 0.833333 second, or 0.83333 nautical mile. Add all the computed nautical miles. Our final answer is 2 degrees, 45 minutes, and 50 seconds, is equal to 165.83333 nautical miles. Convert nautical miles to degrees. Example: 165.83333 nautical miles. Convert to degrees. Since we are converting miles to degrees, divide the whole number of miles by 60, and multiply by 60 the decimals of the quotient to obtain degrees and minutes. Multiply by 60 the decimal of the miles to obtain seconds of degrees. Solution: 165 divided by 60. The result is 2.75 degrees. 2 is the degrees, 0.75 is the point of a degrees. To convert 0.75 to minutes, multiply it by 60, and the result is 45 minutes. 0.83 of mile must be multiplied by 60 to obtain seconds. The result is 49.8 seconds. Final result: 165.83333 nautical miles is equal to 2 degrees, 45 minutes, and 50 seconds.